Hello, boys and girls, and happy Monday. This week's math lessons are all about measurement. So, today we're going to talk a little bit about different ways we can measure, and your activity that you're going to do is using pennies to measure objects to see how long they are. And we're going to do that right now. So, I have some pennies. And I have a phone case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the pennies next to the phone case and just see how many pennies long the phone case is. So, and then make sure when you're putting your pennies next to your objects that you're not laying them on top of each other and that you're not leaving any space, because if you do that, then your number might not be accurate. And you can see I'm not leaving any gaps. Now I'm going to go back and count how many pennies long my phone case is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 pennies long. Now I'm going to move the phone case and I'm going to try a magnet now. Okay, and just a little side note, a quick social studies fact. This is the flag of Botswana, and Botswana is a country in Africa. So if you were wondering what that was, that's what that is. So I'm going to lay my magnet down, and I'm going to line my pennies up next to my magnet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the phone case was 7 pennies long and the magnet is 4 pennies long. So that tells us that the phone case is longer than the magnet and the magnet is shorter than the phone case. Okay, so hopefully this will help you when you go and do your activity using pennies to measure. Now, let's look at some other objects and just figure out which ones are longest and which ones are shortest, okay? And I'm going to use 3 objects. I have a book here, and I'm going to use the magnet again, and a pen. Okay, so what we want to figure out is how we can put these objects in order from the longest to the shortest, okay? So when I put my pen and my book next to each other, I can see that the book is longer than the pen. Okay, not by a whole lot, but it is longer. Okay, so we're going to lay the pen next to the book, and then we're going to bring our magnet over, and our magnet is shorter than our pen. So that means that from longest to shortest, we have our book, our pen, and our magnet. Okay? Now, if we want to go the other way and figure out which ones are shortest to longest, we would start with the magnet, then the pen, and then the book. Okay, and you can see how they are shortest to longest. Okay, so hopefully this will help you in your measuring today. And there's also a video that you can watch on YouTube that talks about measuring different things and figuring out which one's the shortest and which one's the longest. And tomorrow's video is going to be talking about using non-standard units of measure. Okay, so I hope this video has helped, and we will see you next time.